Author presents Back and Forth with NEVS and Sven, a program of writing rants and rebuttals.
The definition of writer's block is the condition of not knowing what to write or how to proceed with writing. I personally have never suffered from writer's block for the following. 1. If I'm not working on a specific book or story, I try writing a short story, or I try writing free association based on silly scenarios, anything to keep my writing muscles going, but I try to do this every day. 2. I don't start my next book unless it's based on a persistent idea, meaning if I read something, or I hear something, or I dream something, and that kernel of an idea keeps percolating in the back of my head, and I can't get rid of it, even after I write it down, and then characters start to evolve around it, and I start seeing a world. I mean, basically we're talking about maybe 6 weeks of persistence. Then I know I have my next book. 3, I never worry about my first, second, or third drafts. I know they're gonna suck, and I know I am never going to let anybody on this planet read them. It's all about purging the characters and the story out of my head, getting it on paper, so then I can actually massage it to a point where somebody wants to really read it. If I'm stuck on a plot point or a character motivation, it's my brain's way of saying, hey man, I need a timeout. So I go to the gym, or I read a book, or I watch a movie, or I have some kind of distraction. Some kind of timeout so my brain can take a rest and do something else. And if it lasts a couple of days, I go back to free association writing or write something else. Either way, I can always go back to the problem and address it, and it always works. Hey, if you're suffering from writer's block, try some of these methods. Maybe it'll work for you. And let me know. Tell me down below. Thanks.
Hey, experiencing a block? Then put a physical block on your head, clamp down tight, and revel in a genuine headache. And I got one, I tell you. When you release the pressure, you'll find life just got a whole lot better. And the relief you feel should remove any other obstacles you might be suffering from, capiche? I've also got hair tonic that will not only give you a beautiful head of hair like this, but it cures cancer, allows you to communicate with aliens, and prolongs your life by at least 100 to 200 years. So feel free to write me below or on the Sven Michael Davison website to learn more, okay? Hey, peace out.